Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can change Motorola's theme. First of all, open Moto app and click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select personalize. Finally, tap on Themes section and apply the best one for you by clicking on it, like honey. So when I click and go back, I can see that theme of my Motorola has changed. If you wish to adjust your theme however you wish to, access the same theme settings, but this time click on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then name your theme at the top and adjust it however you wish to. You can select wallpaper, font style, color of icons, and even icon shape. When you're ready, click on Save at the bottom and apply your theme by tapping on it. If you wish to edit it, select this pen next to Bean, make your changes and tap on Save again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again. If you wish to bring back your default one though, just swipe up and tap on default. To delete one of your created themes, tap on this pen, Bean icon next to the pen, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!